After discussions with over 300 customers, Kamet was founded in February 2024 to simplify industrial automation with the power of AI. Everyone sees the need for increased automation, but failures and inefficiencies are stifling ROI and adoption. Kamet flips the paradigm from chasing failures and inefficiencies to predicting and preventing them with a proactive approach to automation risk control at every level. With the power of AI, Kamet lets you speed up robot configuration by over 5 times, boost robot productivity, prevent downtime, and increase robot lifespan. We do this with a 4-point proactive process framework: discover, assess, act, and track, as you'll see in the following demo. Here on the Kamet dashboard, we show where Kamet AI has discovered issues that could lead to failures and inefficiencies. Kamet assesses each issue and gives you details and a priority rating. Then you can take action by selecting the appropriate use case, such as the type of robot or smart machine. Now you can upload data from the machine that Kamet AI will analyze to provide recommendations for optimizing its configuration. A process that used to take months of tuning can now be achieved in under an hour. And finally, you can track the resulting improvements in productivity and ROI.
I think another point that Kamet can bring a benefit to our customer is not only during the setup. Of course, setup time is also important, but we can also provide the data that is captured during the operation. And Kamet will be able to provide us insights from those data and avoid any defects or failure before it happens.
To recap, with Kamet AI, you can speed up robot configuration by 5 times, boost robot productivity, prevent downtime, and increase robot lifespan. The result is a return on investment of over 600%.